Okay, welcome to Clojure. After a long time, I'm just doing a video. Yeah. This video is about like packaging Java jars into various operating systems. At least, like this video is about packaging it for Mac, right, or Mac desktop. First, what I just did was okay. Let me just explain about my project. I'm just writing a project called InG, which means in-memory JSON store. My office wanted me to learn React.js, and you need a backend, right? So in order to what to say run a front end app and all those things, but yeah, you need to code for backend. But the thing is, like, yeah, it is tough, right? So you need to code, you need to have those URLs and all those things. But just imagine like an instant backend, like you just have like, okay, like you just want to store book and you just have a URL called book. Sorry, if you want to store user, and then you just have URL users with all the right protocols so that you can start storing, or whatever it is. Like if you want to store something, a catalog about like washing machine, you have a URL called washing machines or something like that, and all those things. So this is like that. So you just specify the URL and you will get uh, and that's it. This Inji will just create a table called books, and then if you just put something inside, and it'll get stored and all those things. You can search it and all those things. So very good project for front end developers. I'm just doing it. So I distributed this as jar. One thing people said was like, uh, mm, look, you are losing front end developers because you are distributing as jar. But I don't think front end developers are so stupid. They use what to say npm and node and all those things. They know about command line. But yeah, in fact, like leaders of IT industry, all those old guys, uh, 35 plus years old guys were just saying like that. But I don't think that's true, because people who are just 20 to 35 plus years old, they are, and who are designers too, are good with command line, are getting good with command line. Okay, because they are using this npm and all those stuff, right? So that's the thing. But yeah, yeah, of course, the IT industry's head or top will take time to change, because they always live in the past. Okay, so like in my documentation, I just said about installing Java and what to say, how to install it on Mac, Ubuntu, and all those stuff, Windows, and even I just offered free support, like in case like these head of IT industries just think like, look, I've just created a product that's unusable for front end developers. I even offered support, right? So anybody can ping me in this number, in these using these what to say messaging apps, and maybe I'll just reply. So that's how it is. So yeah, so all these things were there. But yeah, like there was this question, like how to convert this Java application to jar and all those things. The first thing what I looked was Graal VM. So, and I installed this with using a thing called SDK man and all those things. And yeah, like I think like getting started, it'll be there. So, how to install it, SDK man or something like that. I don't know. Where is this SDK man? God. Okay. What about download? Yeah, so like this, there is a tool called SDK Man. I'll be putting all these links, and it is nothing but software development kit manager or something like that. So this is a kind of a version manager for Java. So that's the thing. And with this, you can install multiple versions of Java, choose between versions. There are a lot of evil Oracle Java or something like that, and not so evil Java. Maybe I think I'm having like not so evil Java. Let me just put a new stuff. So let me just make it bigger. So Java hyphen version, right? I so yeah, I think if you get this thing called Temurin or something like that, I think it's not so evil Java. But even OpenJDK is being done by Oracle, but I think this Temurin, I think like I don't know, like they are just taking the OpenJDK code, and I don't know, like they are releasing it in some kind of permissive license or something like that. But look, it is evil. Like if you're developing commercial software with Java, you need to pay Oracle. So don't build it with Oracle Java or something like that. So or even I don't specify this Graal VM, but there was this excellent talk in Graal VM, like what to say, like how to, yeah, like is it over here? Like I don't know. I just had uh, okay. There was this excellent talk uh, using Graal VM and okay, wait. Uh, Creating binaries with Graal VM, right? So you can convert uh, what to say, like jar to binaries using Graal VM, right? So and there was even some YouTube talks and all those things, and I just forgot like. Where I just did it, right? So I just found it in GraalVM's page or something like that, and I also found a very good talk or something like that. And uh, okay, current releases get started. Okay, uh, I don't know. Like there is some way to make binaries from jar with GraalVM, right? So, but yeah, like I think I just lost it. I just lost. How to do it. So maybe yeah, in the future I might just put it in my blog or something like that. But there was a way. I just did it, but then finally it just gave a binary, but it said like you need to have JDK installed to run that binary. And I just thought, what? Come on, like that looks stupid. Like then even if I just distribute this binary, like I still need to what to say, tell the person to install JDK and all those things. So and my jar was kind of self-containing jar and all those things, and I just wanted it to be packaged to what to say uh, packaged into something so that like you can just run it directly on OS. Okay, so fortunately what I just found is like I just found this command like oops, where is this command, right? So I'm just showing it. I don't want to run it again and again because so yeah, this is the thing. So it's already called as J package. It seems to be already installed in my system, right? So and now I'm just giving my application name as Inji. That is like Inji actually stands for in memory JSON store. Okay, so if you're worried, okay, store has a E. If you're worrying about another E, it means like JSON has a E, right? Because JavaScript object notation that E in that object, right? So that's the thing. So that's the thing. An icon like you need to give for Mac, okay, because I'm using Mac, unfortunately. You need to give a ICNS file. Okay, so I just okay, like I was just using GIMP, and if you can generate 512 by 512 or 1024 by 1024 image, there is a website to convert this into ICNS, like yeah, like this one. This and all I'll just put because like I'm just grateful. Look, they're just giving it for free and all those things. I'm just grateful. Like even though yeah, like what to say, like a lot of software has become free today, but still like you need to be grateful, right? So that's the thing. And then I need to give this. I don't understand what this input means. Okay, but you just need to give a folder. That's what I just understood. And this input I'm just giving it as current folder. Like I really don't even know what it means. And then main jar is nothing but Inji 0.2.0 jar. So this actually I just generated this jar with okay lean uber jar, right? If I just put it, I'll just get a standalone jar, but I just don't want it to distribute it as standalone jar because the name won't look good, right? So um okay, so like what to say okay, where is this Inji releases? Okay, okay, here is Inji releases. Okay, so okay, okay, fine. My internet is working. Oh God, so many people download. Oh, okay, last time when I saw Inji, it was just 12 people downloaded. Oh God, okay, fine, right. Okay, so I just don't wanted to give it like okay, Inji standalone 020 jar. So I just named it as Inji 020 jar. So it is actually a standalone jar, and that's what I'm just giving it over here. And I just generated it, and it took some time and all those things, and it just gave me a DMG package. So here is the DMG package. I don't know whether you can see. Yeah, I can't what to say, make it more bigger, right? So this is the thing, and now let me just click on it. Okay, so oh, okay, not this one, right? This I need to delete, right? Look, if you don't give that name, if you don't give that name over here, like okay, if you don't give it name, it'll just give you this thing main. Okay, main 1.0 DMG, and even now it just gave something like what to say. Uh, Instead of giving Ingi 020 DMG, it gave me like Ingi 1.0 DMG. I just named it as Ingi 020. So that's the thing. So now I'm just opening this DMG. Now look, you're just getting like something like a installer on Apple. So I'm just very much excited. So you just move this over there. Already Ingi is there. So it's just asking me to keyboard stop replace. Okay, I'm just giving replace. Okay, so that's the thing. Now I can just go to my applications. Okay, wait, where is my applications? So here, right? Yeah, Ingi is there. So I'm just clicking it, and I think something should run. Okay, look, something is running over here. So it's just saying verifying, blah 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 blah, and all those things. Yeah, it's asking me to whether to allow network connections. Of course, Ingi is a server, like database plus server built in, right? So that's the thing. So now let me just go and check for Ingi's health. Okay, so that's the thing, right? Uh, so let me just check for its health. And okay, so what I'll just do is like I'll just put, I think FZF, that's the software name. That's what is just giving me autocomplete in this thing. Okay, so if I just put like health, it just gives okay. So now just let me just try to put some user. Okay, so host user, right? So yeah, so yeah, now I think the user has been created. Now if I just put like get tables, okay, so okay, I don't know what happened, right? Okay, it should shoot. Okay, okay, so let me just put users. Okay, it's not found. Okay, I really don't know what happened, right? So let me just go and check for the health. Health, okay. Oh, okay. Sorry, I should put like API users. So API slash users. Yeah, I'm just getting it, and then API. Okay, I should put it like ops tables. I'm really sorry. Ops slash tables. I'm just getting it. Okay, there is only user tables. Okay, so and now let me just put some books in it. Okay, so post book. Okay, so some book written by Mark Twain. Okay, Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. Actually, I just read it in school. It was really good. Okay. So yeah, so now if I just see what tables are there, okay, these are the tables. Now I think I can just put something like okay, like let me just back it up, right? So okay, so mm, okay, I'll just specify the file name, right? Like users Karthik, and I'll just specify the file name as like users and books, right? Okay, so it has been saved to users and books. Okay, where is it? Okay, it's in my home folder, right? So let me just put another tab and then home folder and date added, yeah, users and books. So let me just open with some VS Code or something like that. VS Codium, okay, because VS Code is kind of evil. So and then let me just format. Okay, so you just have it users and tables, so users and books and all those stuff. So So yeah, this is just kind of working, and that's how it is. And finally, yeah, if you just want to finish this off, just put like force quit over here. So yeah, like neat. So this thing, this J packager or whatever it is, uh, J package. I mean, so it gives me a very neat stuff. Okay, so I'm happy, and I'm just happy with it, like how it's able to what to say, package an application and all those things. But yeah, of course, there are some stuff like which I want to say, like look at the size over here, like okay, I think it's half a GB. God, like uh, I oh my God, half a GB. I can't imagine it's half a GB, right? So I really don't know, like what's going on and why it's half a GB, right? So just because I just included this image, it's half a GB. I really don't know. Right? So before it was like kind of 200 MB or something like that. So now I just don't know why it's half a GB or something like that. So yeah, that's my only stuff. But apart from that, yeah, let me just go to my applications and see whether it still occupies half a GB. Like that's insane, right? Like just for a instant database and APIs. That's kind of insane. Where is this Inji? God, it's not even here. How I'm able to? Oh God, what happened? Right? Okay, okay, yeah, it's showing. What all these stuff are doing? Like okay, like okay, let me just 670 MB. My God. Okay, so 670 MB, and then once again this one 377 MB. Just because I just included a file, like this file is it became 670 MB. Like I just can't imagine. Like oh God, I really can't imagine. And I told it to replace my what to say old stuff, but it still says like okay, like okay, I don't know, like oh okay, so these two are from other places. Okay, fine. So yeah, like this still right. I'll just put get info. 670 MB. My God. My God. I can't imagine, right? So yeah, look, I just feel these things. Oh, look, this is not a problem with Clojure. Okay, so I really feel like this Graal VM community, like it should be more free. Like if it's restrictive, like maybe like it should not ask money or something like that. And number two is like okay, look, it should uh, make Graal VM in such a way like it it generates true binary. I don't know what's happening with if you put like lean uberjar and uh, using this what to say like what to say this Graal VM stuff and making it into application executable. So I really don't know what happens. Like, but what to say it doesn't give me a standalone application at least for Mac. Okay, and this J package I don't know, like it seems to package the entire operating system and what to say like and the jar file and even though the jar file is how much like what to say the jar file is 21.8 MB and this is what 500 600 MB like 30x just to run on Mac. But yeah, it just offers some convenience. I don't say no, but downloading half a GB of stuff is I don't know, like it's kind of funny to me, right? So yeah, this is my packaging experience. Okay, like that's the thing. And yeah, I'm just surprised that there is 42 downloads for Inji suddenly, all of a sudden. Like I don't know, like who downloaded it and all those things. And this downloads, this is the first version. Yeah, it stopped at 28 downloads. So yeah, maybe like they are kind of 40 developers, or sorry, I downloaded one, so maybe like they are kind of 40 front end developers. So who got fed up with Inji? So that's the thing. Okay, anyway, that's it for this video. So this is about like J package. In case if you just want somebody who has super duper internet connection and super duper storage, but yeah, those two have become super duper now compared to the days when I started. And you just want them to have convenience of having a package installer which can run your jars or Java jars. You can do like this with this excellent but super fat generator J package. It's like McDonald's, but yeah, like, uh, but yeah, its taste is not bad. Okay, so that's how it is. Anyway, until we meet in next video, bye.